What's up guys, quick question before we start. Have you ever watched a stock rally 100% and just give it all back? Because that is exactly what's happening right now with the sticker and I need to break it down for you. If you are new here, welcome. I'm literally obsessed with chart like this, so let's get into together. Drop a comment right now and tell me, are you watching this stock or is this the first time you're hearing about? Okay, so we are looking at Cipher Digital, ticker Cipher, and yeah, it is used with Cipher mining. It started as a straight up Bitcoin mining company, but here's the twist. It is pivoting hard into AI data centers right now. That pivot is basically the whole story behind this chart, so keep that in your head as we go. Back in January, the stock was chilling around $16, nothing crazy. Then February and March hit and it actually dropped down about $13. Pretty quiet, low volume, nobody cared. But watch what happens right after that first earnings reports in March. That is marked right here on the chart. From there, price starts grinding higher, slow at first, then it explodes in April. By the time we hit May, this thing is already up near $20 and volume bars start getting taller too. Now here's the logical part. Why would a Bitcoin miner suddenly drop like this? Because the market started pricing in AI infrastructure deals. The company locked in contracts with the hyperscales like Amazon and Google. That's a massive deal for the stock this size because now it is not just a crypto play, it is an AI power play. So buyers spilled in and by June the stock peaks out around $30, basically doubled from where it started the year. Quick question for you. If you bought it at 16 and watched it hit 30, would you have sold it or held for more? Comment that below. I actually want to know because this is next part is where it gets messy. Right after that June peak, look at the candles. Long red wicks, sellers stepping in hard. That's classic exhaustion at top. From the June through August, this stock just bleeds lower highs, lower lows, textbook downtrend. There's another earnings marks in early August and instead of bounce, we get another leg down. Right now, price is sitting around $15.89, down about 1.25% on the day, and in the pre-market, it's even touched lower around $15.82. So logically, here's what I'm watching, that $14, $15 zone below us. That's where buyers stepped in before back in spring. If price below that, the whole recovery story is basically invalidated and we could retest the much lower levels. But if it holds that zone, this could just be healthy pullback after doubling in 5 months, which honestly happens all the time. Here's the part that makes this stock so split right now. The analysts don't even agree with each other. Morgan Stanley actually raised their target to $42.50, staying bullish on the long-term AI story. But Morgan just cut their target down to $22, way more cautious after that recent pullback. So you have basically got one side saying this thing has huge upside from here and another side saying slow down. Which side are you on? Team Morgan Stanley or Team JPMorgan? Seriously, commenting below. I read every single one because that's disagreement right there is exactly why this stock is so volatile. Nobody actually agrees on what's worse, and that is logical takeaway here. This is not boring, sleepy stock. This is a battleground name. Volume has stayed heavy this whole way down to 44 million shares just today, so there's a real money fighting out at these levels. That tells me we are close to decision point, not the middle of the nowhere. Now look, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. I'm just walking you through what the chart is actually telling us. But if breaking down charts like this actually helps you think clearer about the market, that is exactly what this channel for. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss the next breakdown because I do this every single week. And drop a like too. It generally helps this chat video reach more people who need to see it. Alright, that's the full breakdown. Let me know in the comments what you think happens next and I will see you on the next one.